differentiated car and SUV models, Ford has further differentiated itself from rivals through its presence in the luxury segment. The luxury brand Lincoln, owned by Ford, makes and sells SUVs, cars, and crossovers in the luxury segment. To differentiate their brands from their rivals, car companies invest in research and development. Now, the leading brands are placing a heavy focus on the latest technologies like AI, automated driving technology, and digital technology, since these are driving higher popularity for automobile products. Apart from that, these technologies also help automobile companies differentiate their products from the others in the market. Companies also invest in marketing and spend billions on advertising each year to differentiate their brand from others. They are also making higher use of digital and social media channels for marketing and customer engagement. Now, speaking of product development, Ford is an innovative brand of automobiles and invests a large sum in research and development each year. In 2019, the company spent around $7.4 billion on research and development. The main focus of research and development efforts at Ford Motors is customer convenience, higher passenger safety, fuel efficiency, and again, the reduced environmental impact of their vehicles. Moreover, product development has helped Ford grow the popularity of its products and make its product range more attractive to its existing customers. Moving on to market development. Market development is the strategy of entering new markets and finding new customers in new regions for your products and brand. Globally, Ford has maintained a strong presence through its manufacturing, distribution, and sales network. The company has 8 regional engineering, research and development centers, and 55 manufacturing and assembly plants according to the 2019 annual report. To grow their penetration of existing markets, automobile companies including Ford employ various marketing and sales techniques including digital marketing and other customer relationship and engagement techniques like developing their sales and service network. The United States is the largest and the most penetrated market of Ford Motors. Other leading markets of Ford include Canada, UK, Germany, and Philippines. In fact, Ford Group Philippines is the national sales and distribution subsidiary of Ford Motor Company in the United States that handles all sales, service, and marketing activities of Ford vehicles in the Philippines. Ford Philippines is committed to further improving the customer and ownership experience. To date, the Ford dealership network is present in 49 locations nationwide, facilitating sales and service transactions for its growing customer base. Ford Motor Company penetrated the Philippine market not only through traditional and digital marketing, but also through various programs of corporate social responsibility. In fact, Ford Motors Philippines was the recipient of 2 prestigious awards for its corporate social responsibility programs of the first ever Driven to Serve Awards of the Society of Philippine Motoring Journalists, one each for its Driving Skills for Life Driver Safety Program and its Operation Better Road initiatives. Next slide, please. When Typhoon Yolanda hit Tacloban, Ford employees around the world made personal donations in cash, which were matched by the company, and the total amount was handed to the American Red Cross to be given to the Philippine Red Cross. Ford also partnered with Global Giving to give a grant that funded the building of several clean water facilities in a number of Gawad Kalinga villages in Tacloban and Leyte, thereby providing clean water to hundreds of facilities displaced by the super typhoon. The company is also focused on building and strengthening forced community relations, especially by raising awareness on safe driving through Driving Skills for Life and by helping to improve the quality of life in various communities through their outreach programs. For the DSLF advocacy, their mission is to teach newly licensed drivers the necessary skills for safe driving beyond what is learned in standard driver education programs. The sessions combine both lecture and hands-on training and are offered for free. The company's corporate social responsibility efforts are integrated into the business, of course. The company believes that this would allow employees to be able to serve customers, suppliers, dealers, and more importantly, communities. In fact, each employee is required to devote at least 2 full days each year for community or CSR work. Their corporate social responsibility programs also benefit the company because these activities not only build goodwill in the communities where Ford operates, but also bolsters employee morale and engagement and results in increased productivity. Again, this is Shine Habanak Callis leaving you with one of the taglines of Ford, designed for living, engineered to last.